we're here with Ryan with his awesome looking HR. Talk to us about your car. How long have you owned the car?
So about 3 years now.
Oh wow.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
I was determined to get a pearl white one, so the only one I could find was in Edinburgh. So
so this isn't a raffle?
No, this is this is genuine. So this is flew up to Edinburgh with a girlfriend and made a bit of a weekend away with it, and then drove it back when I went and saw it. I really liked it. Yeah, it was. The first ones I probably did was pretty standard. I got some long tube cold air intakes, in Gen 1s, and then moved up. I've got some DC Sports manifolds, torque and high flow cats, and then I got a custom catback system, and then remapped at Horsham as well.
Right, yeah. But yeah, the JWT clutch and lightweight flywheel, what's that like?
Yeah, so that's really nice. It's a really lightweight flywheel. It's an OEM feel, but it's still nice and sporty.
Right, okay.
Bit of chatter, but not too bad. But from there, it just helps to pick up a lot more. It's more responsive, a bit more. It's quicker to rev. Yeah. It's just a bit more playful now. It's good fun. Yeah.
More fun, would you say, than
the OEM? Yeah. That's probably one of the best mods I've done, I think.
Right.
I've also done the poly bushes as well, and the suspension, as I said earlier. But I think they made a big difference. But the clutch and flywheels. Oh, I did the cams as well. I forgot if I said that. I've got some Tomei 10mm lift cams on there as well. Yeah. And they just helped. They've helped. But it's a real nice. After all those mods, it's a real nice torque curve.
It's very linear.
Yeah. Smooth delivery, really nice. I've also got the other things I've forgotten about. I've got some Akebono brake conversion kit on there as well.
Yeah, I saw those.
So we've got them. Yeah, then with some Stop Tech discs and hawk pads and whatnot. Again, all recommended by Adrian. It's they're surprisingly, like considering the same amount of parts but the small surface area. That was a nice. The brakes are definitely better now.
Yeah, no, that's perfect. So what modifications have you got planned in the future?
Oh, I don't know. There's a lot, yeah. I'm not really planning on getting rid of it for the foreseeable. The kit is the next thing, so good thing is been able to wander around, see which kits I want. So probably an NSM kit or a Muse. I've got the rims on there, obviously, so that's done.
Yeah, awesome. The NSM kit looks so good.
Yeah, I think so.
What do you think of the talk and meet today?
Yeah, it's been good. It's really good turnout, some great cars going on. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah.
Awesome stuff. I'm glad you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah, weather's held out as well as nice.
Weather's looked alright as well. So no, awesome. Thank you so much for your interview, Ryan.
No worries.
And we hope to see you soon.
Cheers. Thank you.
So cheers.